Hey buddies, Tigermiyaw is in and welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. Hey buddies, Tigermiyaw is in and today we're doing another photo session number 4 here in Bangkok. But first, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell to get notified. Let me show you how I take and where I take these toy photos in this special video here in Bangkok. And let me show you all the toys that I bring today. So in this travel, I brought in some accessories. Also brought Spider-Man COSBABY, NENDOROID Deadpool, Deadpool Pikachu. I also brought Snorlax, and here I brought some accessories, again luggage, bicycle, a cap, NENDOROID Spider-Man Homecoming, and NENDOROID Iron Spider. So let's start shooting. So we're going to our first location. This spot in the hotel is a rooftop bar which has a really nice view. So we're gonna take a photo of this Spider-Man COSBABY in this background. For this session, I'm using my 50mm f1.8 lens. It's portable and it's for me a must-have lens for starter and even the pros. So my f here is around f11, so you can see more of the background, and we don't have to blur it so much so you can see the perspective. Now, we'll take more daring shots with this Spider-Man COSBABY. It's gonna be a 10-story high fall if he drops. So I use this Spider-Man for this photo shoot because I know that it won't fall. If we ever use a NENDOROID I'm sure 101% that it would fall into the ground. Hey buddies, I'm here at Asiatic in Bangkok, Thailand, and I'm gonna show you a small trick to make your photos pop up with some bokeh. For this shot, we're opening the aperture to f2 with the higher ISO. The f2 will give us bokeh and just give enough details for the photo. With this setting and the right distance of lights as the background, we can create bokeh. Our last location here in Bangkok is the old railway station. I hope everyone here is enjoying and learning a thing or two with this photo tips and tricks video. So my last tip is don't be and never be shy. People are going to stare and be curious about our hobby. So just entertain them and enjoy the experience. Hey buddies, we're ending our toy photo session number 4 here in Bangkok, Thailand. Miyaw! Don't forget to like my Facebook page, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.